Hello traders, welcome to BloomFX. I am Mari B and I just finished to do the weekly analysis and I said to put it here on the trading view and share it with you. Now I would love to start with Euro JPY on the weekly chart, and also I did the monthly chart. But at the beginning, let's start like this with a weekly. And I want to say that, as I told you last week, EJ went up and down almost 150 pips. Then it went up again, okay? And this week, it's an extremely difficult and risky week. And I tell you why. Because the first month chart, and I will show it to you later, ended above last month value and with a low rejection, but closed below very strong resistance formed in the recent years, okay? I will continue to search on a massive sell, remember this, but a closure even for one day over 127,500, which is around here, I will prepare for a buy. And I will show it to you also on the monthly chart. And please have a note that this pair may be influenced in the short term by any news also about the vaccine. And now let's go on the monthly chart for Euro JPY, because I want to show you. And as I showed you on the weekly chart, EJ followed the pattern formed at the beginning of 2019. Now we will see if we can break the trend line forming in the recent years and to go down respecting the W theory. And here we have the W, okay? I will bet on a massive descent. So I think that the price may reject from this area and it will come back down again. And please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 80% due to the market manipulation during this period. We will avoid putting exact values of stop losses. And also we recommend avoiding short-term trades during this period because news can appear at any time that can destabilize the market. Okay? Now let's continue, because I showed you on the weekly and on the monthly chart Euro JPY, and now I would love to continue with Euro USD with the weekly chart. For Euro USD, now we have the chart in front of us, and as I said last week, Euro USD is in a strong upward trend supported by macroeconomic problems in America. Now it is in a very strong area from where I expected to reject and descend again to the Fibonacci 618 area, okay? This was last week, remember. But this week, taking into account that the monthly chart just a miracle could still prevent me from reaching 1.25. However, a close over even for a day over 1.21800 opens the way to 1.25, okay? And 1.25, it's here. Please have a note also for this pair that may be influenced in the short term by any news about the vaccine. Let's continue with Euro GBP, and Euro GBP, as I said before, will make a corrective move to the Fibonacci 0.5 area and maybe 618, after which it will go up again. And this week, I think that closed below Fibonacci 0.5, and you can see that the candle closed Fibonacci 0.5, okay? I will look for a sell to the Fibonacci 618, which is here, and here we have also strong support. Especially at this week, it's very important news on GBP. And be careful. And from here, from this area, okay, I'm expecting the price to go up again. And please have a note that also this pair may be influenced in the short term by any news about the vaccine or maybe Brexit. We don't know. USD GPY. For USD GPY on the weekly chart, and as I said before, USD GPY, it's in a strategic area where it has rejected many times in his recent history. But this week we expect a minor rise of, let's say, 30-40 pips here, okay, and a rejection and a back to the trend line from where it may go up again, okay. I am waiting UJ to reach the 106.400 area, okay. All the time before going into a trade, you must have the confirmation, okay. You must be very sure. Let's continue with Euro AUD. Euro AUD, as I said before, Euro AUD, I will look for a buy up to the Fibonacci level 618, from where, depending on the confirmation, I will keep looking for a buy. But this week I will reach the Fibonacci 618, okay. Let me do it like, oops, let me do it like, yes, it's too far, but 618 level, it's around here at 1.60 100, okay. From where it will reject, let's say 150, something like 150 and 200 pips, and after it will go up again, okay. So I'm expecting the price to come up, reject, come back down, reject, and then to come back up again, okay. Let's continue with Euro Swiss franc. And Euro Swiss franc, as I said before, has climbed and then reached the resistance zone formed in the last year, okay. And this week we'll test Fibonacci 618, and even a little, it may go up above, and after down again for minimum 100 pips, okay. So please, before going into a trade, you must have the confirmation, and have a great attention on that. Our analysis have an accuracy of over 80% due to the market manipulation during this period. We will avoid putting exactly stop losses, values of stop losses, and also we recommend avoiding short-term trades during this period, because news can appear at any time that then can destabilize the market. Okay, let's continue with EuroCAD. And for EuroCAD, again, as I said before, it went down to the Fibonacci level 786, from where it rejected, and it will go up 100 pips, which hit it. So you have to watch all the time my analysis to see that, I don't know how, but I'm right. But this week I expect a minor rejection up to the Fibonacci 618 area, and then the price will continue to go up again. And here we have the price continue to come down. Here we have the Fibonacci, and here we have also a very strong area, and then the price, I'm expecting the price to reject and to continue to go up again. Let's continue with Euro New Zealand. And this week for Euro New Zealand, is that the third rejection in 1 week chart from the trend line, okay? And here you have the trend line, which it formed in the last year. From here, I will look for a buy for, let's say, almost 100, 200, 250 pips, okay? However, a closure even 1 day below 1.68500 will open the way for me to have a sell, okay? That's why I said all the time, wait for the confirmation before going into a trade. And let's go to the last one, to GBP USD. And as I said last week, GBP USD climbed and rejected the most important area created since the beginning of 2008, okay? And this week I will continue to look for a sell for at least, let's say, I don't know, 300 pips, because it has rejected the strong resistance, okay? And this is the strong resistance formed in the recent years. However, a close even for 1 day over 1.37800, okay, it will make me think for a buy until the area of 1.45, okay? And please have a note that this pair may be influenced in the short term by any news. And again, have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 80% due to the market manipulation. During this period, we will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses. So thank you so much for watching. I am also waiting for you on my Telegram group, and you can find me also on my website, and you have all the details, because I have changed a little bit all the things. And now we have also the VIP channel, we have the BloomFX EA group, we have also courses, and I am waiting for you to join this beautiful family of BloomFX. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the group chat. Bye.